Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a private app on HubSpot and retrieve your access token. This process is essential when you need to connect HubSpot with external tools or build custom integrations that require secure API access. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to HubSpot.com. Sign in to your HubSpot account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one or start a free trial to get access. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard, which is your central hub for all activities. Now look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on it to access all the configuration options HubSpot offers. This is where you'll manage integrations, user permissions, and various account settings. Once you're in the settings area, turn your attention to the left sidebar. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Integrations and click on Legacy. This is where HubSpot houses its private app creation tools. If you don't see the Legacy Apps option, make sure you have the necessary permissions or that your plan supports creating custom apps. Inside the Legacy Apps section, you'll see a button in the upper right corner that says Create Legacy App. Click on it to begin the setup process. A dialog box will appear asking you to provide a name for your app. Choose something descriptive like My HubSpot Private App so you can easily identify it later. At this point, you have the option to upload a logo for your app. If you want to add one, use a square image that represents your integration. You can also add a brief description explaining what the app does and what data it will access. This step is optional but helpful for keeping your integrations organized. Next, click on the Scopes tab. This is a critical step because scopes determine what data your app can access within HubSpot. Click Add New Scope or simply check the boxes next to the permissions you need. Be mindful here and only select the scopes that are absolutely necessary for your integration. This keeps your data secure and limits unnecessary access. After configuring your scopes, you're ready to finalize the creation. A confirmation window will appear. Click Create App to proceed. HubSpot will process your request and set up the private app with the permissions you've specified. Once the app is created, you'll be redirected to your app's overview page. Here, click on the menu named Auth. This is where you'll find your access token, which is the key piece of information you need to authenticate API requests. Copy this token and store it securely, as you'll use it to connect your external tools or custom integrations to HubSpot. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.